have it fully dismantled here, and I'm going to be re-soldering some leads here, 6 leads here. I'll also be re-soldering some leads over here, as well as 2 additional leads right in here. And after that, I can start cleaning this thing up with just some WD-40, get all the dust and grime and dirt out of here. And then we can, after that, essentially put this back into place properly. The guy who originally had this didn't do a very good job, but I'm going to be essentially adhesing this back onto here, not just using electrical tape in the way it came, and some basic cleanup on this and put it all back together. Woo! Before soldering the leads, I can use this brass piece here, and I can just lightly coat and clean the leads off before soldering them. This will result in a more effective job overall, rather than resoldering over the dirt, the grime, and all the other crap that's built up in here. Just brass, nothing else. And these leads over here. Pretty significant water damage coming from this component right here, one of the main components. Essentially, this is where all the feed comes from. There's your indication of power here. This component here is absolutely totaled. I'm actually afraid to clean it up or do anything with it because it's quite fragile, and it's very soft. Like I can push all the corners at once. But this thing's still working. It's pretty amazing what we can find.
And 560 CFOS.
Owen Sound. Cloudy, slight chance of some showers tonight and a low of 3 overnight. Tomorrow, Friday, a mix of sun and cloud. A high of 8, 13 degrees on Saturday under partly sunny skies.